Struggling with stubborn belly fat? No gym? No problem. In just 7 days, you can kickstart your fat loss journey right at home. No equipment needed. This is your beginner-friendly belly fat workout plan. This 7-day workout plan is designed to boost your metabolism, target belly fat, and build a consistent habit. Even if you're a total beginner, all you need is 10 to 15 minutes a day, a little space, and the motivation to move. Let's get started. Day 1. Activate and burn. Start with light cardio to wake up your body. March in place. 1 min standing twists. 1 min high knees, slow pace. 30 sec rest. 30 sec jumping jacks. 1 min repeat this twice. Day 2. Core starter. Today we focus on engaging the core. Crunches, 15 reps, leg raises, 10 reps plank, 20 seconds. Rest, 1 min repeat for 2 rounds. Day 3. Burn and sweat. A little more intensity to boost fat burning. Mountain climbers, 30 sec squat to knee raise, 15 reps side plank, each side, 20 sec rest, 1 min repeat for 2 rounds. Day 4. Active recovery, light stretching yoga. Give your body time to recover and prevent soreness. Cat-cow stretch, 30 second child's pose, 30 second cobra stretch, 30 second deep breathing, parts like art matter. Day 5. Core and cardio burn. Burn and tone together. Bicycle crunches, 15 reps jumping jacks, 1 min reverse crunches, 12 reps plank, 30 sec repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. Day 6. Challenge day. Let's test your stamina. Burpees, 10 reps high knees, 1 min leg raises, 15 reps plank, 30 sec repeat if you feel strong. Day 7. Stretch and reflect.